Nilight upgraded H11/H9/H89005/HB3 LED headlight bulbs. The Philips Hue Light Strip Starter Kit is a versatile and innovative product that brings a new level of customization and ambiance to any indoor space. With its dimmable and color-changing features, this light strip allows you to easily create the perfect lighting for your needs. One of the standout features of this product is its LED light source type. LEDs are known for their energy efficiency and longevity, making them a great choice for environmentally conscious consumers. The power source is corded electric, ensuring a reliable and consistent power supply. The light strip is capable of producing a beautiful, crisp, white light, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Whether you're looking to create a cozy and warm atmosphere or a vibrant and energetic mood, the Philips Hue Light Strip Starter Kit has got you covered.
As an experienced product marketing expert, I highly recommend the Philips Hue Light Strip Starter Kit for everyone who seeks to elevate their indoor lighting experience.